Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, a technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to schedule your PC activities like shutdown, like auto shutdown, restart, hibernate, etc. with an awesome and light software that is Wise Auto Shutdown. So it is 2 MB in size. Simply download it from the web and install. I'm going to show you the proper use of this software. This is the interface of this software, as you can see. At the left, as you can see, shutdown, restart, hibernate, log off, etc. It is the commands, and at the right, there are timings. Okay, so first of all, if you choose a specified time, suppose you are just trying to shut down your PC at 2 p.m. today. Okay, from the current time, I have to choose 2 p.m. Okay, and if I click on start task, the PC will be shut down at 2 p.m. today. Okay, and then from now, if you choose from now option, from the current time, it will be shut down in the given time of yours. Suppose if you choose 4 hours and 30 minutes, the PC will be shut down after 4 hours and 30 minutes from the current time of your computer. Okay, then it comes daily. You can also schedule your PC to shut down or restart or whatever you wish daily in the given time. If you just provide the time in under the daily section, the PC will be shut down or restart daily. Okay, and then the last one is idle. If you want your PC to be shut down after the idle condition of the provided time, the PC will be shut down or restart after the idle state of its. Okay, and whatever you have chosen, simply click on start task and it will be started, and it will be on the taskbar. Simply go there and you'll find it again. If you want to cancel it, you can cancel it too. And this is a simple use of this software, and I think it will help you a lot. If you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial, and till then, goodbye.